Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Dan Permaculture Food Forest, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys, the progression or the update on my leafy green, vegetable garden. All right, so let's go check that out. Let's go. All right, guys. This is what 2 weeks ago I posted update. Look at the size of everything in this garden bed. Look, let me step away and just show you guys all that green looking lush, 110% organic greens. Remember, guys, this bed has no fertilizer at all, and just look, dry leaves, and I'm still getting a production of beautiful looking collards. No fertilizer at all in this bed. Just compost from the compost pile, put over here, relocate the bed, and look at it right now. I'm really impressed even that I'm actually growing this myself. So look at the size of the Ethiopian kale. The leaves are like huge, like twice the size of my hand. Look at the collards. The leaves are so tender and soft. Everything is just, look at the red Russian kale or purple Russian kale. Which one? Look at the big difference. These guys another view. Look at the green onions. Look. So everything is growing and looking extremely good, and I'm really impressed. And in between the collards is some carrots growing there. There's a tomato over here. Yep. So everything is looking real good. There's some other leafy greens popping up right here. I think these are Swiss chard popping up right here. Everything is just loving this weather at the same time. It looks really good. Yeah, guys, and this is my method of polyculture, meaning all different stuff is growing together. Yep. See, there's other leafy greens, carrots, peppers is growing right here, Swiss chard. Yep. Onions right here, green onions. Yep. Tomatoes. And I enjoy when you come to the bed instead of just one kind of plants or vegetable. I enjoy seeing that polyculture, method, that everything is just growing together, just like nature. Yep. I think I'm going to be harvesting some of these leaves over the weekend too. I don't know if this is pumpkin or something else is growing right here, but there's so much stuff going on here. Yep. Everything just looks good. There's even some grown cherry that popped up. I think this is a grown cherry. Right here it is. A few more right here that popped up. Yeah, guys, so that was just a quick showing you my leafy green garden beds. Oh, let me show you the other bed over here. So these are the ones in containers. So for some reason now, the ones that I planted in that bed over here grew past these completely. Yep. I probably need to transplant some of these over into that bed as well to take them out of this container. Because they start growing slow in this container also. Yep. beautiful Swiss chard over here. Definitely gonna harvest some stuff off of this over the weekend. More leafy greens. I got a ton of greens. My parsley is growing really good here also. Carrots here. A few carrots here that are growing really good. Yeah.